Hello traders, hope you had a lovely weekend. Trader Tom here from Simply Forex, the channel created to help you succeed at trading. We are going to do a review of Friday the 5th of July's trades. Yeah, if you stay to the end of the vid, guys, you'll know exactly which trades I got into and why, and which trades I didn't get into and why. All right, so stay till the end. And let's start. So there was only two trades from Friday, the 5th of July. The first one was oil, and this was the trade that I did take. I was also looking at euro pound, so we'll take a look at that as well. But let's start here with the black gold, right? So day chart gives me my direction, and daily was in we had some consolidation here, bang, right? Daily was clearly in an uptrend. We did have a bit of resistance here. Okay, you can see previously this has acted as support and resistance, and we saw some resistance as well. Now, if we zoom into these candles, right, we did get some resistance, but then so sellers entered the market, and then buyers just went, no chance, right? We're in control still. Okay, so seeing this, I was still happy to buy it. We're in an uptrend. Buyers are in control for me. Yeah. And so we could take price potentially back up to these highs, right? So that was the idea. Daily gives me my direction. And then if we drop down to the H4, just look at the area of this trend line, right? We'll see it more clearly on the H1, right? But there was this H4 uptrend clearly, right? And we was at the bottom of this trend line. We'll look on the H1, it's a little bit clearer. But H4 was in an uptrend, higher lows, higher highs. Okay. And I actually entered in here and took price up to here. But let's look on the H1, it's a little bit clearer. So if we go to the H1 now, yeah, and again, it was just all about this trend line. But I really like this area. So let's understand why I like this area. So we had this trend line, right? Again, like I said, just wanted to point this, this trend line out. And at this level, we was at the moving average 20, right? And we was at the trend line as well. So there's like double whammy support here. All right. Now, all I did, guys, was this. Yeah. As soon as we got to this level, I entered. Normally, I would wait for a bullish reaction, right? But I just liked this level so much. Entered here, put my stop below here. I considered this the last swing low, put my stop below here, and then took profit back up to here. Roughly got 1:1. And then at this point, guys, I closed 80% of my trade. Yeah, that's generally how I roll. Once I reach the last highs in an uptrend, I take profit because that's where price could react and, come crumbling down. So I took some profit here. And then, guys, if I zoom out, you can see at these last highs, we got this very bearish wick. Okay, it was Friday and there was, news and everything. So I just closed the remainder of my trade here. So basically, I closed 100% at that level. All right. And then as you can see, price just come, there's selling off on a Friday. Yeah. Traders are closing positions and there was a bit of a sell off. And I didn't want to be part of that. So I just closed my trade. So that was oil. Nice trade. Hope you took it. Love this level. And then also we were looking at euro pound, right? And euro pound just didn't materialize. If we go to the day chart, right, we were looking to buy it. Remember, this candle's not here, yeah, because this is what happened Friday. So we was in this uptrend, right? That's what it was. Yeah, we're seeing higher lows, higher highs, okay, uptrend. We had this nice trend line, okay, and we had this nice bullish candle that was bouncing off of that trend line. And the idea was to come back up to this 0500 psychological level, right? But again, you must have criteria to enter a trade. Plan your trade because it will keep you out of trouble, right? And my trade was basically this, yeah. And you can go back and check my video if you like. I said if we break this level, because it's a good level, right? So on the H4, let me draw that line again. That's the worst line I've ever drawn in the history of YouTube. So we were here, right? And I said, maybe if we got something like this and we broke this grey zone, right, I would look to buy it. That was the only permutation of this trade I was willing to take. We get a break of this level because that will be a H4 structure break. Yeah. And then I would take price back up to here. As you can see, yeah, it proved to be good resistance again. And then we had a sell off at that level. All right. So for that reason, we just didn't have a trade. It didn't break the level I wanted. All right, guys. So, yeah, that's my trade review of Friday, the 5th of July. Guys, if you enjoyed my analysis, then please come join the channel and smash the like button. And also, guys, if you want to join our community and speak to like-minded traders, then please do so. We've got the free Discord channel. If you want more than that, if you would like my trade signals, if you would like numerous tutorials, and you would like direct access to me, then please come join our VIP Trading Academy. And finally, guys, if you sign up with one of our preferred brokers, you can get access to all of these things and discounts. All right, so check it all out. It's all in the video description, and I'll see you later.